Hello everyone, this is a screencast of DevOps project milestone 3 and today we are going to implement the Canary release. So before going through our code and implementing the process, I will show you a diagram which will give you all a better understanding of what we are going to implement. So here's the diagram, and as you can see on both sides that we have two servers, that is our stable and the Canary server, and both those servers are running on a single instance of MongoDB, and we also have a load balancer server which will regulate our request. So in the first case you can see that whenever a client requests an API, gives basically sends a request call for our API. So what our load balancer does is like it sends our 75% of our request to stable server, whereas the remaining 25% to our Canary server. And the second case is the case of an alert. So an example of an alert can be like whenever Canary server goes down. So in that case, all the 100% request has to be sent to our stable server. So now if we go to our code, so here's the file, canary.js. So you can see that first we are reading our IP address of both the servers from there are two files which contain the IP address of each server, and here's the logic. You can see that yeah, so here's the logic which sends our 75% of our request to stable server, whereas the remaining 25 to Canary server. And if we don't get a response from our Canary server, or the status code of the response is not equal to 200, so in that case we raise an alert. So for raising an alert, we set our boolean value variable, that is alert, to true. And here you can see that if once alert is true, then in that case it will send all the requests to our stable server. So now we will be running this file. So now if I open my checkbox, this is the IP of our load balancer server. And now if I make requests to different pages, you can see that it is sending requests to each of our servers. So far it has called our stable server, and if you keep on making requests, yeah, so you can see that so far it was calling our stable server. Now it has sent our request to our Canary server, and now if we make any further request, it will send to our stable server. So basically, like out of 100, out of 4 times, it will send our three of the requests to our stable, whereas the remaining one to our Canary server. So now what we can do is like raise an alert. So for raising an alert, I will stop my Canary server. Yeah, once I've stopped my Canary server, now if I make any request, and so yeah, you can see that here it tried sending one of the requests to our Canary server, and it raised an alert since our Canary server is down. And now onwards all the requests will be sent to our stable server. So here you can see that now if you make any request, since our Canary server is down and our alert is raised, it will send our load balancer will send all the requests to our stable server. So yeah, this is this is a Canary release. This is the implementation of Canary release, and yeah, this is the end of our demo. Thank you for watching.